Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I am the Fire Escape Griller, and I know a lot of you people out there aren't eating meat on Fridays during Lent. So I wanted to give you a really quick, really simple, and really delicious fish recipe, and I'm going to show you how I grill it up right here on the Fire Escape. We're going to start this recipe off today by making a Cajun style rub, and that begins with 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea salt and fresh ground black pepper, both of these to taste. Then grab a fork and mix these together, and we've got ourselves a Cajun style rub. Now on to the fish. I've rinsed off a catfish fillet in cold water, and now I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel. The next thing we're going to do is touch the fillet with a little bit of olive oil. Feel free to get your hand in there and get that oil all over the fillet. And here I've taken that rub that we made and put it into a shaker, and now we're going to coat our fillet with some of that Cajun rub. The difference between this and blackened catfish is blackened catfish would be cooked in a hot pan with butter. Ours, on the other hand, is going out on the grill. Out here on the fire escape, I've preheated the Weber Q, and whenever I'm direct grilling fish fillets, the first thing I like to do is put a little oil on a paper towel and, using tongs, oil those grill grates to prevent sticking. Then we're going to take our catfish fillet and lay it on the grill and cook over medium heat with the lid closed for 3 minutes. And those 3 minutes go by really quickly, so do not go far from your grill. And you'll know your fillet is ready to flip when it doesn't stick to the grates. Then close the lid again for about 3.5 more minutes, and we should be done. Here we are now, between about 6 and 7 minutes total cook time, and our catfish fillet is ready to come inside and get plated up. And what I like to do right before serving is to hit these with just a little bit of butter, spread that around, and then give it a taste. And let me tell you, this is some delicious catfish grilled on a fire escape in Brooklyn, New York. So that's how I grill catfish fillets on the fire escape. You know, you don't have to be afraid to grill fish fillets on your grill. It's really easy, especially catfish. It seems to hold together pretty well. Just make sure you oil those grates first. And this fish comes out delicious, 3 to 3.5 minutes per side. You are gonna love the results. Give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.